In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a CSV file from Adalo. Start by opening your Adalo account and navigating to the Database tab on the left side of your screen. Once you're inside, select the specific collection you want to export. At first, you'll only see a few visible properties, but if you switch to the Records view, you'll notice many more columns appear. These include record IDs, creation dates, update timestamps, and all other fields associated with your data. When you export the database as a CSV, every one of these columns is included in the file. To export it, simply look for the Download CSV icon. If you don't see this icon, it means your account doesn't have the required permissions, so you'll need to ask your admin to enable them for you. Once the icon is visible, click it and Adalo will immediately download the CSV file to your device. When you open the file, you'll see that all your data has been exported with every field intact, making it easy for you to use or manage wherever you need it. And this is how you can export CSV from Adalo.